Insurance offers a wide array of benefits that provide financial security, peace of mind, and protection for people and businesses. However, like many goods and services, insurance premiums are on the rise.
I feel insurance is important for both individuals and business owners for financial safety. You never know when there's going to be an unexpected event occur, whether it's a weather event, a car accident, a theft occur at your home or your business, and those that are not adequately insured have a very high risk of financial severity.
Our losses have been higher as a result of inflation as well as social inflation. When you think of inflation, it's just typically higher economic dollars when you have to replace something. So building materials, construction costs, auto costs have all been higher the last several years. Social inflation is another type of increased cost too, which is really litigation and legal costs that over the years have been higher with insurance companies as courts and lawyers have tried to look for deep pockets to pay for costs.
Inflation is not the only factor driving cost. Changing weather patterns also play a large part in the rising premiums that many policyholders are seeing.
If you take a look at 1980, there was $1.5 billion events that occurred, loss events in the United States caused by weather, 1.5 per year during that decade. During the last 5 years, that has increased to 16 per year. These are billion-dollar events. These billion-dollar events are indexed to today's values, so you can make the comparison. That's 10 times. That's increased 10 times. That drives up the losses paid by insurance companies.
So reinsurance is basically insurance that insurance companies or carriers buy to protect themselves. You know, an insurance company only has so much capital available, so you need to limit your exposures. So insurance companies will go out and buy reinsurance, or insurance if you will, from the global insurance market. Weather losses and inflation have really impacted the reinsurance market. You know, our global reinsurers, they like to be able to predict what their losses will be. The weather patterns the last few years make that very difficult. You know, you're trying to estimate how much losses might there be, how do we model that? They need to assess how much premium to charge everybody and what the costs are going to be. That's very difficult when you have weather patterns that you really can't predict right now.
With rising premium costs, many people may be tempted to pull back on how much insurance coverage they carry. But robust coverage, recommended by a trusted agent who offers comprehensive products from a reliable carrier, can help you recover when the unexpected happens. Since 1909, Grinnell Mutual has been a trusted source for quality insurance. Originally founded by farmers for farmers, Grinnell Mutual still believes in neighbors taking care of each other. Grinnell Mutual offers personal and business coverages, as well as reinsurance for small farm mutual companies. We pride ourselves in strong relationships and great products.
The mutual insurance company is owned by its policyholders, and we are not profit-driven. We are a company that cares more about its policyholders and making sure that they are insured the way that they need to be. We provide that through our agents that also work with us, and I feel like a mutual is much more open and communicative to our agents in what our visions are and what we expect in our underwriting. And I just feel you're going to get a much more personal touch by insuring with a mutual insurance association.
In 1909, the Iowa Farm Mutuals, County Mutuals, small insurance companies, they were part of a statewide association. That statewide association recommended that these companies form a reinsurance company. It had never been done before that mutual insurance companies formed a reinsurance company, and that's how Grinnell Mutual was founded in 1909. Now with that history, we were founded by these companies. These companies are still members of our organization.
Grinnell Mutual is the largest primary reinsurer of farm mutual companies in the United States. As an industry leader, we are dedicated to caring for our customers, agents, mutuals, and employees. You can trust in tomorrow with Grinnell Mutual.
During these economic difficult times, a lot of companies see an opportunity to exit staff, cut expenses that way. I think that's foolhardy, and we are not doing that here at Grinnell Mutual. We still have our entire staff because we still are servicing the same number of people and the same number of policies and the same claims. How do we provide outstanding service if we just start cutting staff? We're still developing staff, we're hiring new talent, we have a great internship program, We're going through and training people. We're implementing a new operating system that will help us become more efficient, but also allow us to give better service to our customers. So we're still doing that even in these difficult times.
Grinnell Mutual invests in our future both for technology and our employees. We're replacing old legacy systems that we've had for years, and these things will really enable our customers, whether it be agents, policyholders, or the mutuals, to interact with us in real time and make it easier for our employees also to transact that business as well.
For more information, visit GrinnellMutual.com or find a Grinnell Mutual agent near you.